What's up, Blade Nation? Today we're going to be looking at the Prime Apocalypse from the Gatinko customized set. This is part 2 of this set and episode 14 of the GT Marathon. We get the Prime Apocalypse layer, we get Zero, we get Dagger, and we get Ultimate Reboot Dash. His stats are saying that he's above the charts in offense, and he has a lot of weight. I'm so glad that we're on this part of the video and we get to finally see that the two main bays of this set battle against each other. But let's go ahead, unbox it, and see everything inside. If you're liking this video, go check out our channel and hit that subscribe button with that notification bell so you can stay on top on all of our videos. Okay, next we have Prime Apocalypse, which just like Genesis has the same infinite burst lock and they can spin both right and left. But with the same trigger mechanism, once you get the red showing up here, it will literally keep spinning until someone hits this. But go ahead and weigh it. It comes in at 26 grams, just like Genesis. Next we have Zero Dagger, which this is a new frame that we got. I do like the design of Dagger. It's pretty cool. Reminds me of like a more attack type version of Wall. But I'm going to weigh them together. Comes in at 26 grams. So just that alone, you're looking at 52. And then Ultimate Reboot. We've seen normal Ultimate Reboot with the Pro Series Judgment Joker. This is Ultimate Reboot Dash, meaning that the springs are a little bit tighter than what the normal one is. And of course, as it spins, these come out, gives it a tip, and as it slows down, they go in, making a different tip. It weighs 28 grams. And then putting him all together, he's a little bit trickier than Genesis. Okay, that took forever. Took so much time, my scale turned off. Altogether, it weighs 61 grams. So comparing that to Genesis, 65 grams, I feel like he's lighter, but has a stronger burst lock, where she's heavier and has the motorized thing that can make her go right or left. So in this video, we're gonna try out the battles between the two and see which one's better. Okay. We are checking out Prime Apocalypse. No, I do not have any of his stickers on him yet. I was very excited to do the battle for this video, and my wife wanted to do stickers. So we're going to go ahead, do the test spin. 3, 2, 1. He has Ultimate Reboot, so right now he's in like a attack stance. But as Ultimate Reboots retract, his tip will change and put him into a different type of battle. Okay, let's check out how Prime Apocalypse does in battle. Okay, so we're going to do a few battles with Genesis versus Apocalypse. 3, 2, 1. Insta burst? Oh. Well. Apocalypse for a burst point. Alright, last battle between me and Professor Rando because he has to leave. And then we'll do a couple just battles I will do between the bays. If this one will like to stay on. 3, 2, 1. And Genesis won! I know I said I was going to do a couple or a few battles with Genesis, but I actually want to see how Prime Apocalypse does against a couple of the heavy hitters. So 3, 2, 1. And there's Apocalypse versus Joker, but with Joker spin last. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, so this didn't work out that well. So Prime Apocalypse is really good. Genesis is really good. These are two really awesome bays with infinite burst lock gimmicks. Can't wait to check out the next two bays and battle them against these. But comment down below out of these two bays which one you like. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Go check out my sponsor at baysandbricks.com. Use that promo code that's down at the bottom of the screen right now. And yeah, like, keep Beyblading. Go check out my Patreon because that's up there somewhere. Down in the link below in the description, you can click on that. But keep Beyblading, stay safe, and let it rip!